What's up mga basketball? Long time no see. So, pasensya na po ulit. Ngayon na lang naman po ako nakapaggawa ng video. So, ang dami ko na nga pong i-unbox. Kasi po, nagbakasyon po tayo with my wife. So, kaya po, nawalan po ako ng oras para gumawa ng unboxing videos. And by the way po, thank you very much po sa aking mga new subscribers. So 177 na po tayo. We're getting there. And sa aking pong mga walang sawang mga subscribers, thank you very much. I really do appreciate all of you. So welcome back to our channel. So today po, or I mean this evening or tonight, we're going to do some unboxing again. Alright. So sabi ko nga, marami po tayong i-unbox. So I will try my best na I can do several unboxing right tonight. Anyways, again, welcome back to our channel, and let's do it. Alright, here we go mga basketball. Ito na po yun, nilabas ko na po sa box. So ito po ay Jordan 1 High, alright, black and white. Okay, so as you will notice po, para po siyang panda, right? So and I love the colorway because of course gusto ko lang po yung mga simpleng color, and this is a very simple color, right? It is just black and white. Okay, so wala ngang iba talagang kulay, right? So puti, itim lang, so it is just merely black and white. So simple. Even the outer sole is just black, right? So napakasimple po niya. So kaya po I decided to get one. So okay, and again, I am already 50 years old, so I want a simple colorway, right? Sabi nga, appropriate naman sa aking edad. Wala na pong kukontra. I will still wear my Jordan whenever I want and wherever I want, right? I don't care if I am old, right? So ito po yun. Okay. Okay, mayroon po siyang, I don't know kung mayroon akong extra shoelace. I think siguro dapat may maganda rin na shoelace is white, right? So para po mayroon akong choices. So I can put a white shoelace or black, right? And fortunately, medyo, para pong wala. So it is just black. Yung shoelace po lang nito ay black. Okay? So kung gusto nyo po, you can just buy or purchase an extra shoelace. Maybe white, right? So it will be a good combination. Okay, pwede naman po yung isang shoe, lagyan mo ng white shoelace, and the other one is black shoelace. So it's up to you. Kanya-kanya po tayong trip, right? So gusto ko po ang colorway niya mga basketball. So sana po magustuhan nyo rin ang colorway niya. Kasi po, sabi ko nga, I want this one simple combination. Because this is just white and black, right? So wala po talagang extra color. So it is just black and white. Okay. Kayo nang bahala mga basketball. Have a closer look. By the way, maganda naman po yung leather niya. Okay. So there is no extraordinary element na dinagdag. So it is just really, of course, an OG retro of Jordan 1 High. Okay, so again, I love the simplicity of this shoe, of this colorway, black and white. Okay, umiikot-ikot na siya kasi po high-tech po ako dito. Okay. Alright. Okay. There we go, mga basketball. Then let's proceed to the next one. Alright, the next one mga basketball. This is a Jordan 1 low. Right? Okay. There we go again. My receipt, of course. And this one is not final sale. But I have no plan to return it back. Kasi po gusto ko po talaga yung colorway niya. Okay. Look at this mga basketball. Okay. Tingnan nyo naman mga basketball. Kung mayroon lang po siyang yellow, I can consider this as like Philippine flag, right? So mayroon red, mayroon blue, right? And of course, the Jumpman here is yellow. I mean golden, right? Tapos, dito po, wala pong kulay. It's just white. So, gustong-gusto ko po ang design na to. Okay? So, tingnan nyo po. Golden rin yung kwan niya. Yung wing logo ni Jordan, right? So, and, of course, yung kwan po niya is translucent. Yung outer sole niya. So, it is just combination of blue, red, and of course there's a gray and golden. So nagandaan po ako. Okay, I'm not into Jordan 1 low, but this time because of the colorway I decided to have one. Look mga basketball. So kayo na pong mag-judge, di ba? Maganda. Ganda po ang colorway niya. Sabi ko nga, unang tingin ko ay parang Philippine flag, right? So talagang dumikit yung mata ko sa basket, I mean sa Jordan 1 low na ito, right? Ditong sapatos na to. Look, judge it with yourself, right? Mga basketball. Diba? Ang ganda. Maganda to this summer. Right? Hindi na lang tayo palaging black and white, right? Look, mga basketball. Alright, so mayroon po akong pang kanan and mayroon po akong pang kaliwa. Nagustuhan ko dito yung logo niya. Look, yung golden niya. Golden logo. At tahi po siya. Right? See? Ang ganda po, mga basketball. And you can also replace the shoelace, right? So you can use blue or red. So it's up to you. But the shoelace that is already here in with the shoe is color white only. So you can replace it if you want, right? So maganda po siya para sa akin. So maganda rin po yung leather niya. So for me it's a very good design. And of course it's Jordan. So ano pang hihingin nyo, right? Ano pang hihilingin nyo? Okay, mga basketball. So definitely, this summer, susot ko po ito. Right? Maganda po siya. Maganda po yung kulay niya, yung blue, para po siyang nag-fade dito. Right? So, pagmasdan niyo po. Right? Okay, mga basketball. Thank you for watching. And again, see you whenever.